Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we're going to be making Gobi Manchurian.
I'm excited.
Me too. This is a special request from Rohit Kumar. Thank you, Rohit.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we had the Gobi Manchurian once before in a restaurant up in Spokane Valley.
Mm-hmm. And I loved it.
Yeah, it was called Lasuni Gobi, but it's the same dish. Mm-hmm. So hopefully I'll be able to replicate that and make Mumsies happy.
I hope so.
Hope so too. Let's do this.
Okay.
All right, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to use to make Gobi Manchurian. We have the star of the show, our gobi. And then we have a batter for the gobi. We have atta, just whole wheat flour, cornstarch, ginger garlic paste, black pepper, soy sauce, and red chili powder. And then we're going to be making a gravy. We have spring onion, green chili, garlic, ginger, ketchup, green chili, vinegar, soy sauce, black pepper, and last, more cornstarch. Well, that's it for the ingredients for the Gobi Manchurian. Let's go ahead and get started cooking. I have the kadai going over high heat with about 10 cups of water in it. I'll go ahead and turn the heat off and I'll add the gobi to the water. We're just gonna blanch the gobi, so we'll let it set in the hot water for about 10 minutes. It's not gonna cook, it's just gonna blanch real quickly. And we'll take it out of the water, set it aside, and we'll start making the rest of the ingredients. So while the gobi is blanching, we'll go ahead and make the batter for the gobi. We have our wheat, our atta, our cornstarch, ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, black pepper, and the red chili powder. We'll add maybe 3/4 of a cup of water to make the nice batter consistency for it. So I'll just add a little bit in first and get this whisked around. Get all the clumps out of it. Looks about right. Yeah, now we'll set this to the side. The gobi's finished blanching. We'll go ahead and remove it. Put it back into the bowl. Now we'll go ahead and add our blanched gobi to the batter that we've prepared. And you want to make sure that there's no water in the gobi. So I'm just going to give it a quick shake, make sure all the water's out of it. Now we'll just take a spoon and we'll coat all the gobi with the batter that we've created. I have some oil in the kadai. The kadai is over medium-high heat. We're gonna let that heat up, and then we'll take the gobi and we'll fry the gobi in small batches. Okay, now we'll add the gobi to the hot oil. All right, now that the gobi has been set aside, we'll go ahead and start making the gravy now. We'll add the ginger. We'll add the garlic. I knew the kadai was a bit hot, that's why I didn't just dump all the garlic in there. Still getting used to the heat regulation on it, but doing a lot better. Now we'll add the green chili. And the onion. We'll just cook these down for a minute or so until the onion starts turning translucent. The onions are finished cooking. Go ahead and add the ketchup now. And the green chili sauce. And the soy sauce. Get this mixed in here really well, and then we'll add some water to it. We're going to add maybe 1.5 cups of water. Now we're going to turn the heat all the way on high. And we'll add our black pepper. And we want this to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to add the last of the cornstarch to it to thicken it up. The gravy's looking good. It's come to a boil. We've added a couple teaspoons of water to the cornstarch and made a cornstarch slurry. That way it doesn't lump up when we add it to the boiling gravy. Add that in there, give it a quick stir, and it should start thickening right away. Sauce is looking good. It really thickened up well. Now we'll add the fried gobi to it. Get that all mixed in. Well, that's almost it for our Gobi Manchurian. We have one final thing. We'll add the vinegar. We'll get that stirred in. Then we'll put it into a bowl and put it to the test. Well, how'd does that look?
It looks so good. I'm so excited.
Does it look like the top of
Very,
India?
very close. Yes. Yes, yes. Yummy.
Ready to put it to the test?
I am.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Well, what do you think, Rohit? Does it look like Gobi Manchurian to you?
Hope so.
Smells absolutely wonderful.
It does. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. Mmm.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. It's not quite as tangy,
No.
but it's very, very close.
Or as crispy. But it is wonderful.
Yeah, there's two versions.
Oh.
There's a dry version, which is what we had
Oh.
in Spokane Valley. And then there's a wet version. I chose to do the wet version.
Okay.
That's why it has the gravy with it.
Okay, well, it's delicious.
Yeah, and with all the dishes that we make, we'll put the link to the recipe below for you. Yeah, it's wonderful.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one's definitely a dual happy dance.
It is so good.
The only thing I would have probably cut the gobi up a little bit smaller.
Yeah, this
It's-
not gonna fit in my mouth.
It's pretty big sizes. Mm.
That's so good. Mm. Mm-hmm. Absolutely wonderful.
As the Chinese would say, hun hao chur.
Okay.
Delicious.
So good. You did a good job.
Thank you. And thank you, Rohit, for requesting this dish. Wow. It is really, really good.
Another favorite.
Yeah.
Definitely another favorite. I think Courtney will like this too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, Jayesh, what will we be making next? Actually, you don't even know, do you, little buddy? That's because you've left about 50 different requests for us to make different dishes. We absolutely love it.
We do.
Yeah.
So much fun interacting.
Yes, it is. So, Ganesh, please let us know if Jayesh has been a good boy.
Mm-hmm.
He's doing all his schoolwork, all his studies,
Yep.
cleaning your bedroom.
Oh.
It's so awesome, though. A 10-year-old is watching the videos and making requests.
Very special.
That's so fun. Yeah. Yep, we just love interacting with you. And it's getting increasingly difficult with the volume of comments. But, I mean, we are doing the best that we can to reply back to every single comment that people post. Because we just love interacting with you. But One of the ideas that we have for the channel, and hopefully this will make the logistics of the requests a little bit easier, because it is kind of difficult with all the requests coming in the form of comments.
Yeah.
We can use the discussion tab on the YouTube channel, and what I'd like to do is I'd like to list all the states and all the union territories for India. So we would have the 36 total, and then you guys would go into each state or each union territory and request a dish, and then the others that come in could start giving that a thumbs up, and the ones that get the most thumbs up, those are the dishes that more people want to have cooked. I think that would probably be an easier way to go about doing this long term, because we don't want to stop. We're just having so much fun with you guys.
And we'll learn the parts of India, what they eat and what you guys like from the regions, and we'll learn better about the regions and the food.
So I think that will just be a fun way to go about doing things.
I do too.
Yeah. Yep. So good.
Very, very good.
So with that said, we'll thank Rohit one more time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you all for watching and
Definitely.
being a part of the channel.
Yes, it's been so much fun, you guys. It really has.
Yep, thank you so much. Until next time.
Bye.